Hello everyone, and as always, welcome back to my shed. Today I'm going to be rebuilding my brake calipers and the brackets that hold them. I already cleaned them and put some 2K primer on the things. That's just the boring steps in the process. Now I will just paint them in the color I want. Therefore I have special paint dedicated for brake calipers. Then I will be rebuilding everything with mainly brand new components. I forgot to mention, by the way, this is what they looked like before, totally rusty, and they didn't even work.
I'm so in love with you. I'm so in love with you. Love is dead. I'm so in love with you. I'm so in love with you. I'm so in love with you. Cleaning martyrs. I'm so in love with you. Love is dead. I'm so in love I'm so in love with you.
So these are my rebuilt brake calipers and they really look like brand new. You only need to attach the hose. But that's a small job. Anyway, I'm quite happy with the result. And a question for you. Can you guess which car this is? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and until next time.